As we navigate the constant rush of modern life, where time is as precious as gold, we all strive to squeeze extra hours out of each day. Imagine being able to pause, take a breath, and still manage to check off everything on your list with time left just for you. While it may seem like a fantasy, achieving this is possible with some smart life hacks. From having your cleaning time to effortlessly enhancing your health, these tips will streamline your daily activities, making them more efficient and enjoyable. Let's go over some key lessons to be learned from today's life hacks. Master your mornings. The way you start your day often sets the tone for the rest of it. Limit the decisions you have to make in the morning by preparing the night before. Plan your outfit, prep your breakfast and lunch, and pack your bag. This eliminates morning decision fatigue and gives you a smooth start. Another superb morning hack is to embrace the power of routines. Establish a simple yet efficient morning ritual that includes hydration, a few minutes of stretching or meditation, and a no-screen policy for the first 30 minutes of your day. This not only energizes your body, but also primes your mind for the day ahead. Simplify your information intake by using a news aggregator app. Instead of scrolling through multiple sites, get a curated list of headlines that lets you stay informed without being overwhelmed. This can save you a precious chunk of morning time. Effortless home maintenance. Streamlining home chores can significantly cut down your stress and free up time. Start with decluttering. Less stuff means less to clean. Adopt the 1-minute rule. If a task takes 1 minute or less, do it immediately. This rule is surprisingly effective in keeping your space tidy and manageable. Introduce the use of multi-purpose cleaners. By having one product for multiple cleaning needs, you reduce the clutter under your sink and streamline the cleaning process. Furthermore, invest in smart home gadgets like robotic vacuum or self-watering plant systems, which automate routine home maintenance tasks. For an added layer of ease, incorporate a minimalist aesthetic in your decor. This approach not only elevates the visual appeal of your home, but also simplifies maintenance and cleaning chores. Health often takes a back seat when our schedules get packed. To incorporate wellness seamlessly into your daily routine, begin with hydration. Keeping a water bottle at your desk as a physical reminder to drink water can profoundly impact your energy levels and cognitive function. Turn everyday activities into mini workouts. Opt for stairs over elevators. Do calf raises while brushing your teeth, or park farther away to increase your steps. These little bits of movement accumulate to a significant amount of exercise over time. Lastly, leverage the benefits of batch cooking. Preparing your meals for the week in one go not only ensures that you eat healthily, but also saves you a considerable amount of time and decision-making throughout the week. In the professional realm, efficiency is the key to productivity. Begin with prioritizing tasks using the Eisenhower box, a simple decision-making tool that separates your activities into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Utilize technology to your advantage. Automate repetitive tasks with tools like digital automation services, and use keyboard shortcuts to cut down on the time you spend on frequent functions. Also, limiting meeting times to 15-30 minutes can drastically improve focus and efficiency. This encourages everyone involved to stick to the agenda and minimizes time wasted in unnecessary discussions. Finding peace in the chaos of daily life is vital for long-term productivity and health. Create a Zen zone at home, a specific place dedicated to relaxation and meditation. Spending even a few minutes here can significantly lower stress levels. Practice the art of single tasking. In an era that praises multitasking, focusing fully on one task at a time can actually enhance efficiency and reduce errors. This shift in approach allows for deeper engagement with the task at hand and produces higher quality results. By integrating these life hacks into your daily routine, you can not only manage your time more effectively, also enhance your overall well-being, transforming ordinary days into an extraordinary life. And there you have it. If you've enjoyed these quick hacks, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos. Share this video with friends and family to help them streamline their lives too. Remember, every subscriber brings us closer to helping more people live smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our next video. Turtles get there too.